Hi, this is Emerson ICU. We are Parks and Recreation of Redmond, Washington. As you can see also, they've got a lot of dented vehicles, big time. Look at those. And some new ones. Public Works. Well, Public Works and Parks and Recreation are right next door to each other. They're literally in the same parking lot. Oh, there's a police car. Oh. Okay. But let's walk around here. Once again, I'm in Redmond, Washington. Today is February 8th, about 1:30, maybe 2. Not exactly sure, don't have a clock with me. So we're sitting in the store and getting all used up. Versus 180.80. I don't remember the street number, unfortunately. Hi. Oh, I'm just looking around.
Okay. We're not really outwardly facing to the public.
Oh, really?
If there's something you need here, or...
Yeah, there's something I want to accomplish.
Okay. What is that?
What I'm doing right now.
Okay. But you can't go any further.
I would not go any places that I'm not allowed.
That's about right there. That's good.
Oh,
Sir?
I fail to see any signs that say I can't. I mean,
You're probably right.
Truly, I'm trying to educate you. The way to do it is you need signs saying "public not allowed" or "authorized people only,"
That's a great point. I will make sure I get that.
and then the public knows that they don't have a right to go back there. What was your name?
My name is Adrian.
Hi, Adrian. I'm Eric.
Nice to meet you, Eric.
No ill will. No, just
I understand.
See-
Same right back?
Yeah.
Yeah.
well, your neighbors up the way weren't quite so.
My what?
Your neighbors up the way a little bit were not quite so nice, but
What neighbors? Sorry.
another public agency.
Oh, well, that's unfortunate.
But I appreciate you being professional about it and let me just look around. Promise I would definitely, if you don't want public back there, put
Yeah,
signs.
we are working on that. We're actually under construction right now.
Oh, really? Are you
Yes.
moving
Yeah,
or?
No, we're just getting some things remodeled and some safety features and security features done. Yeah, that's all in the new budget.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not trying to be in the way or anything. I'm just exercising my right as an American citizen.
Excellent.
First Amendment right.
Excellent.
It's a protected.
I'm fine with that.
It's a protected activity. You don't want to
Yeah.
violate my rights, please.
Well, of course not.
Well, I've had people do that.
Sorry to hear that.
Yeah, I got pushed out of a post office even though it's the public. I wasn't in any unauthorized spots, but
Yeah.
I'm educating the public or the people that work for the public, like yourself.
Yes, I do. I am.
Yeah.
I do work for the public.
Educate people like yourself on what is allowed. So
Excellent.
now, technically, I could walk down there because there's no signs. I won't.
I
I'll be
appreciate
nice.
that. Thank you very much.
I'm not gonna, be a butthole about it, but
Thank you. I appreciate that.
I can look and
Makes it-
see you.
Yep, this is what we're called is the Public Works Maintenance and Operations Center.
Okay. And are you Kristen?
No, she is not. No.
Oh, you're just a person here, huh?
Thanks. Yes, somebody I'm assisting.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it. Just want to come and say hi.
Okay, sounds great.
It's
Thank you very much.
It's funny. When I was a kid, people would jump in front of a camera and say, "Hi, Mom."
Oh, really?
Well,
Well,
back in the '60s.
I've always been one that doesn't get in front of the camera.
Well, unfortunately, you don't have that right as a public employee.
You're right, but if I said it stole my soul, would you appreciate that or no? That wouldn't be
No.
my right?
If you want privacy, go to your, house and shut the windows.
Hey. You have a delivery? All right, I'll be right out. Give me just a minute.
Okay, I'll get out of here. Thank you.
Yeah,
Hey, what street are you guys on?
I'm sorry, what?
Street? What number street?
This is 76.
76.
Yeah, Northeast 76. We're 1A.
Yeah, I got the address. I just didn't know the street number.
Yeah. Yeah, it's Public Works
Yep.
Operations Center. So there's
Right.
Public Works over at City Hall, and then this is the part where we do fix things.
Yeah, I saw the cars back there.
Yeah, that's our fleet department. Sorry about that. So you're here to pick up some.
I don't know exactly what they are. All I know is it's 3 pallets, 880 pounds
Brain
going to
Egan.
Oregon.
That is going to help me. So I'm going to reach out to that person right there and have
Well, this was actually pretty good. Public Works Department in Redmond, Washington. They didn't try to violate my rights to record in public. And right next door, City of Redmond parking only. City vehicles only beyond this point. No, I'm not a city vehicle, so from Public Works, we're just going to kind of continue over here. Parks Department is right next door here somewhere. Well, I guess I'm caught in a parking lot, I think. Yep, I'm caught in the parking lot. Oops. Well, this is Emerson ICU. Today is February 8th at about 1:30. Please like, share, and subscribe this if you could, please. Thank you very much.